guarantee for the high ball, but they will go around on the side. I see you. Did you see it? Yes, because that's the ladies. They work for a long time. I'm so sorry. But it's very nice. It's worth to wait. Yes, thank you so much.
Hey everyone, put your hands up if that was your first time seeing a lion dance. Lots of first times today. Awesome. Glad you guys joined us.
Yes, that's why we invite them. We know this is special. We know this is not so many people say watch this before. So, what's the next Cameron?
So
I found Laurie in City of One when we have an Asian night market over there from karaoke time. So tonight, tomorrow, Sunday, if you like to sing karaoke, make sure you come back to the stage. You may be the next star of Niagara Falls.
So that's right, at 9 o'clock tonight, Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have live karaoke right here on stage. That's 9 o'clock tonight. Make sure if you can sing to show up.
Yeah, maybe 9:30 today because everything delayed a little bit.
That's true.
Yeah, but that's okay. We will have fun.
All right, so we'll leave Lori to set up. Everyone give her a big round of applause.
Thank you, Laurie.
Hi, this one, you want it? Traditional Chinese food.
I was gonna change.